Hey there, just want to do a quick breakdown on a Toz-99-04. It's made in Russia. Sometimes I'll call it Tula Arms. There's the, if we can get that to focus in, that would be great. We might have issues today. Alright, so no tools required. You just push this little pin in. Obviously make sure it's unloaded. You're just going to pull this pin out. See? Then you can let go of this. Now we're going to pop this out. And there's your spring. Now you can go ahead and pull back till you get to your point. And you're just going to swivel this. Now you got two more springs back here. And now you can, slide it out however you feel necessary. Poke something or tip up the gun, pull the trigger, give her a little shakedown, whatever you got to do, get her out. It's a little sticky at the moment here. There we go. And now you should just be able to slide that out. Alright, this part, so no tools, all disassembled, ready to clean, do whatever you want. Go ahead and put that down. Alright, now on the bolt here. There's one more piece you can pull out. Exposes everything good. These guns get dirty super fast, so having an easy breakdown is very essential. So reverse of assembly. Everything's always harder to do with one hand when you're filming, right? So slide that in, and then you're going to hit the bottom of the firing piece that hits your trigger there. So you're going to pop that in until you get to the point where you can line up your little bolt handle, world's tiniest little bolt handle. Pop that in, flipper, and then you can push that in a little ways, just outside of the way. And then you got, actually, here, hang on, we'll put it back a little bit, just makes it easier to push these springs in. So there's two slots, plop them in. Orientation doesn't matter. And then you're just gonna line up your big one here. This one, sometimes it'll want to catch or kink, so you just make sure it's, just look down, make sure it's pushing in. And then you'll get to the point where you hit those springs. And then you just push her in all together. And then once again, just gonna push that pin in, line her up. Greasy, slippery hands. Pop her in till she's halfway, just like that. Let go, the pressure's back on it. Everything is ready to fire. And you're ready to go. All right, thanks for watching.